Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Intercom with Zapier for AI chat responses, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Intercom website. Log into your Intercom account using your credentials. Once logged in, go to the settings section in the sidebar. Locate and click on API keys under the developers section. Generate a new API key if you don't have one already. Copy the API key as you will need it for Zapier. Next, open a new tab and go to the Zapier website. Log in to your Zapier account. In Zapier, click on the Make a Zap button to create a new Zap. Choose Intercom from the list of available apps. Select the trigger event you want to use, such as new message. Connect your Intercom account by pasting the API key you copied earlier. Test the connection to ensure everything is working correctly. Next, choose an action app for your AI chatbot integration. Select the AI chat platform you want to use, such as OpenAI or Dialogflow. Choose the action event that corresponds to sending a chat response. Connect your AI chat platform account using the necessary credentials. Map the fields between Intercom and your AI chat platform accordingly. For instance, set the incoming message field to the message received from Intercom. Test this action to ensure the integration is functioning properly. If the test is successful, click on Turn on Zap to activate it. Review your Zap overview to confirm everything is set up correctly. Now, your Intercom is connected to your AI chat platform through Zapier. You are ready to automate your chat responses effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.